What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Daddy Dearest from Friday Night Funkin'. Let's get started at the very top of our page with the outside edge of the hair. Starting right in the center of our page, we're going to draw a curve that comes down. It's going to round out the side, pull that up, and then in. From the top, draw a short angled line coming down and out. Then we're going to round out the bottom, coming down and then up. And then we'll add another point on the left side. Starting up here, we're going to curve up and in, bend that out, and then down towards the side. Let's add a fold along the bottom. Starting on the left side, curve this down and then in. And then we'll add 2 points on the left side. From this point, we're going to step up, angle down and out, pull that back in. I'm going to angle this one down. Down and out, and I'll pull that up and in underneath the hair. Now we're going to move down and draw in the eyes. Let's start on the left side, curve the eye coming up and in, come down with a straight angle line, go out and then bend that up in between the eyes. And then we'll add that fold in between the eyes. Starting from here, angle up and out, and go up towards the hair. Let's draw in the right eye. Starting from that center point, curve this down and then up, angle up and in, and just round out the side of the head going up underneath the hair. Let's add another fold in the center of the forehead. Starting with a straight line going up, angle up and out, pull that up underneath the hair. And then we'll add a fold in the center of the forehead. Starting back on the left, come down, and then bend that up. Let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the eyes. From the left side, we're going to step up, come straight down, come down, and then in, go up and in with a straight line, and just pull that up towards the inside of the eye. Now we're going to draw on the right eye. Starting from the center, curve down and then out, curve this out and up toward the top of the brow. Let's go back to the center and draw the edge of the nose. Just going to curve this down and then out. Now we're going to add a simple glare in the center of the eyes. Starting on the top left, angle down and out toward the left, and then right. And then pull that straight in, leaving a gap in the center. And then pull that all the way down and in towards the bottom of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top, angle down on either side, come straight in, and then pull that down and in toward the center point. Now I'm going to fill the outside of the eyes in black. I'm also going to add some wrinkles on the left side of the eye. Start with a short line going out, step down, curve out and down. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Directly underneath the left eye, start with a straight line going all the way across towards the right. And we'll curve this up on the right side, add a small bracket on the end. Let's go back to the left, curve this out and then up, come down and in, go back to the outside, come down and out. Let's go back to the corner of the mouth, draw a straight line coming down, curve in and then down towards the bottom of the mouth. Just going to angle this up towards the right. Now I'm going to round out the side of the mouth, coming in and then out. Let's go in and add the teeth. Starting from the bottom of the mouth, start with a straight line going up about halfway. Draw a short line coming across. Now from the top corner, step in, draw a straight line going up underneath the mouth. Let's go back to the corner of the mouth and draw a straight angle line coming down. And fill the outside of the mouth in black. Let's add the gums on the left side. We're going to step down, curve up and in, come in and then down, pull that up underneath the mouth. Now we're going to go back underneath the right eye and draw on the side of the head. We're going to come straight down and then bend that in, and then we'll flatten off the jaw, coming straight down with an angled line. And then we'll round out the bottom of the chin. Come down, and then just bend that up. Now we're going to draw on the left side of the head. Starting from this point, draw a straight line coming down towards the cheek. We're going to overlap the cheek on top of that line. Stepping in, angle down and out, curve down and in. Let's go back up to the top of the cheek, draw a straight angle line going out, go straight out towards the side. Now I'm going to round out the side of the ear. Come down and bend that in, draw a short angle line coming up towards the cheek. Let's draw on the jawline. Starting from the inside of the ear, draw a straight angle line coming down, angle down and in, aiming towards the chin. Let's go back to the top of the ear, draw a straight angle line going up and out toward the top of the head, then draw a straight line coming in behind the hair. Now I'm going to add some spots along the bottom of the chin. Starting from the left side, I'm just going to randomly place these dots going all the way across towards the right. Now we're going to add a fold inside the ear. From the outside of the cheek, let's step out, curve this up and then out. And then from the inside of the ear, draw a straight line coming down towards the shoulder. Let's move underneath the chin and draw the arm coming across the body. Starting down here, start with the collar, coming down and out. And we draw a short curve coming in and then down. Let's step back up, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the elbow. Curve the elbow going out and then down. Now we'll round out the bottom of the arm, going down and then in. Let's draw a straight angle line coming up towards the wrist, going all the way across and then up. Let's round out the wrist, coming in and then back out. And then we'll round out the top of the forearm, coming across and then bending that down. Now the left hand is going to come up on top of the arm. So let's start from this point, step up, curve up and out, round up the finger, come up and then down in behind the arm. Let's add 2 more fingers. Starting from the top, go up and then down, and we'll do that 1 more time. Now I'm going to tuck the collar in behind the fingers. So we'll continue this line coming down, and then we'll add the chest hair. Starting on the outside, on top of the forearm, come across, come back in, let's add 1 more point. And then we'll work our way out towards the right side, curving out and then up, come down and in, go out and then down, and just bend this down on top of the hand. Let's go underneath the chin, draw a straight angle line coming down in behind the chest hair. Now I'm going to layer the watch on top of the wrist. From the top, we're going to step out, just follow that same curve, going out and then back in towards the bottom. And then going to the top of the wrist, curve this out and then down, and down and then back up. Let's go back over towards the left side, come down the middle, and then pull that up on the right. Let's go to the bottom of the wrist and draw on the palm. And come down and then out. Now from here we're going to draw the edge of the mic. Start with a straight angle line, step in, draw that twice. Now we connect the right and the left side with an oval, coming around and back out. And then we'll wrap 4 fingers around the mic. Starting at the top, step down, angle down, curve this out and up, then bend the finger coming in and then up. And then we'll layer 3 more fingers in behind. From the tip of the knuckle, step up, angle down, round out the finger going up towards the top, bend that in and up. Let's go back to the bottom, angle down, curve up, and then bend that in. And then one last time, we're going to step up. We're going to go straight out, go straight up towards the top finger, and we'll curve the top of the hand, coming in and up towards the top of the wrist. Let's add 2 short lines along the top of the hand. Starting along the top, step down, draw that again. Now we draw the top of the mic in behind the hand. Let's start from the outside of the finger, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back down on top of the hand. Let's draw the edge of the mic. Starting from the knuckle, curve up, and then out. And then we'll add some lines inside the mic. Starting from the top left, start with a straight angled line, go back up to the top, bend this out toward the left, and the right side, go back up to the top, and draw that again. And we'll add 2 curves going across the mic from left to right, going up and in, step up, and draw that again. Let's go back up and tuck the left side of the body in behind the arm. We're going to start with the collar, starting from the base of the neck, curve in and then down in behind the arm. And we'll go back up to the top, curve the shoulder, going out and then down towards the side. And then we'll round out the bottom of the arm, coming down and then bending that in. And we'll bend the form coming up underneath the arm, aiming towards that bottom finger. So we go out and bend that up. Let's go back up and draw on the collar. From the base of the neck, angle down and out, angle down and in, pull that down and back out. Now let's move down and draw the side of the body coming down towards the top of the feet. From the elbow, step out, curve the body, coming down, and then we'll bend that out. And then we'll go back up to the top of the forearm, step out, curve the body going out, and then bending that in towards the knee. Draw a short angle line coming down, bend this in, and then down towards the same height. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the tip of the foot. And then on the right side, we're going to give this a little bend, coming down and then out. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the toe, curve the foot coming down and then up on the inside. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming down. Just going to leave a gap in between the feet. And then from the heels, draw 2 short lines going up. And I'll bend this in and then down towards a center point. Let's go back up and add some detail to the top of the body. From the elbow, we step in, curve the jacket, coming down, and then we'll bend that out. Let's go to the top of the forearm, step down, curve the jacket going out, and then down. Let's go to the inside of the jacket on the left side, draw a straight angle line going up towards the right, step down, and draw that twice. And we'll move to the center of the belt and draw 2 lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's add some hair along the top of the buckle. Starting out here, curve out and up, taper that back down with a short line, curve up and out towards the right, and then bend that back down. Now we're going to move down and separate the legs. Just underneath the buckle, we're going to start down here, start with a point, angle down, aiming towards that center point along the bottom, go back up to the top, angle down and out towards the left, and go back down towards the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There's Daddy Dearest from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.